Hello darlings, and welcome back here to my channel. And as you can see from the title of this video, I'll be going on a holiday in a couple of days, and today is my day off and I'll do exactly the same thing as I did before Bulgaria. I'll show you the outfits that I'm planning to bring with me, and this way I can realize what exactly I need to go to the holiday and what are the best things to bring with me, because once again, I am traveling only with a small luggage and also a backpack or something. So that's why I need to be very picky with my outfits. However, I'll be gone for about a week. I think we're staying there for 7 or 8 days, which is a long time, and I need plenty of options and things again that would work well with each other. Last time I found it very helpful when I did the video. I actually wore everything that I brought with me and it was perfect. That's why I'll do the same now, but this holiday is a different type. It's going to be more relaxed, and what we're going to do basically all the time is probably go to the beach, then back to the hotel, then the beach, then the hotel, you know, one of those very lazy holidays. So without further ado, let's start with the outfits. Starting with the bulkiest of items, and that's the shoes, and I definitely need a pair of flip-flops, and those are my Jack Wills ones, which are so cute. I'll try and link them down below, but if I don't find them because they're from last year, I'll link similar ones that I saw recently, which were very cute as well, pink and white again. So yes, I'm definitely taking these ones with me because, you know, I need them if I am going to the pool, if I'm going to the beach, if I am just showering and walking around the place. I always wear flip-flops, so that's certainly coming into the luggage. For actual shoes, I'll be definitely taking my pearl sandals. That's the main reason that I bought them just now, and I'm definitely going to be wearing them during nighttime, I believe. That's how I'm planning it, at least, so they're definitely coming with me. And the other pair, of course, is going to be my vagabond sandals, which I just realized that is still at my parents' house, so I definitely need to go tonight and get them from there before I forget. Outfit number 1 is definitely non-negotiable. It's coming with me 100%, and it's my pink breezy set by Djerf Avenue, which I just cannot wait to wear it. I definitely will wear both of them separately as well. The shorts, you can pair them with everything and anything. You can just do a quick errand, up and about, and I just love them so much. The actual shirt, I am pairing it a lot with everything as well, but for this holiday I'm hoping that I'll be able to wear it as a set, both of them, because it's just the cutest thing ever. Outfit number 2 is actually hyping me so much about this holiday because there is still time until we actually go there, so I'm not really feeling it. But now that I'm starting to dress with those cute outfits, I'm getting the hype. So yeah, that's gonna be outfit number 2. Those are the beige ZARA shorts that I just got, and you must have probably already seen them from 2 videos ago or something. And that's gonna be my lavender tube top from Djerf Avenue, which I take everywhere with me because it just goes with everything, and I can pair it in so many other outfits. As for accessories, there is just no question about it. I'll be taking my Coach bag because it is the cutest thing ever, and it will just go well with literally every single outfit that I plan. So yeah, very cute. Outfit number 3 is a combination of the occasion top from Djerf Avenue and the other ZARA shorts, but in blue denim kind of color, and I just love the combination of both of them because this is a little bit more spectacular, a little bit more out there, and we are just toning it down a little bit with the casualness of the shorts. And I really love this combination, and if I had my sliders, the vagabond ones, with me, it would have gone perfectly. And I feel like this is going to be my go-to. And again, the bag is going to do its miracle. Extremely cute. I am 1000% taking this with me. I lost track of the numbers. I think that's outfit number 4, but I'm not too sure. And it's these Asus shorts that I got 1 or 2 years ago. It was from Fashion Week, and they're just still one of the most comfortable shirts that I have, and I am definitely taking this top with me. It's from Massimo Dutti, and I've had it for ages. I don't even remember anymore when I got it. I really like it because it's completely backless, and it just It's perfect for a holiday, it's perfect for any occasion to be honest, but for a holiday it's extra special for me, and the combination of those two, it's really cute, especially if I combine it with the high heels. It's gonna be just so glamorous, and I'm definitely going to feel comfortable in this outfit. This next outfit I am for sure taking with me again, and it's my 100% linen skirt from ZARA, which I only get to wear in spring, summer, and whenever it's really hot outside. And that's why I'm gonna take it on my holiday, because I haven't worn it this year just yet. The top is a basic from ZARA again, and it just symbolizes all the basics that I'll be taking with me. I have the exact same one in beige, so I will be taking this one, and I have two bodysuits, one white, one green, and I tend to wear them a lot whenever I go, especially during spring, summer. So I'll be taking them with me as well, and I can't think of any other basics that I need, but yeah. It's always good to stock up on really basic pieces that you can just combine with literally everything, because that's gonna go together with every single pair of shorts, for example. So I really like having those staples to play around with. That's gonna be one of my outfits. It does have a slit at the back, so it's very cute. It's a pencil skirt. Starting off with the dresses, and I'm actually planning to take only 2 or 3 with me, and this is definitely going to be one of them, because it's so easy to put on, and whenever I'm going for breakfast, I know that I can be ready in 5 minutes tops. I can just put it on and go straight. Also, I just realized that I have this Coach bag, which I usually wear only during spring, summer, and I really like the color of it, that very powdery baby blue. So I think I'll be taking it with me as well. And I never realized how much I actually like that carriage. It's the same carriage on the buckle on the other white Coach bag that I have. I guess there's a thing going on with my bags. Who knew? But yeah, I feel like that's gonna be a really cute outfit, and I need a little pop of color whenever I'm wearing something completely white. So this bag is going to be perfect for this. Now for this dress, I need your opinion, because it's been in my wardrobe for about 10 years now. I had it even before moving to the UK. Whenever I'm clearing out my wardrobe, I always end up keeping this dress specifically, because I think the time is going to come for it, and I'm not sure if I want it with me, but what do we think? Is it still cute? That was definitely my style, well, about 10 years ago. Now I'm not really sure, but I think I can still pull it off. The brand is called BSB Fashion, and I think it was a Greek fashion brand, but the actual dress is very cute. It has a mini length. It also has like an A-line cut, so it sits very nicely and freely. You can eat as much as you want. Again, it's going to be perfect for breakfast, because you just pull it on and you're ready, and I just convinced myself that I'm taking it with me. Let me know if my decision is right, because I feel like it's cute. You know what? This is a cute dress and I'm taking it with me, and I feel like lace is coming back in fashion a little bit more than last year, let's say. There's gonna be space in my luggage for this dress. I'm taking it with me. This dress should come as no surprise to you. It's from H&M, as you probably know, because you have bought quite a few of them already, and with a good reason. It's perfect for spring, summer, especially for a holiday. Again, it's one of those dresses that you can just put on, go for breakfast, and you're good to go. So I'm not going to dwell a lot on this one, because it's a safe choice for every day, for any occasion. Dress it up, down, you know the rules. So I'm starting to feel that I'm going a little bit overboard with the outfits, but not to worry, I'll find space. At least they are tiny clothes, so we'll see how it goes. I'm wearing the Djerf Avenue tube skirt together with the white breezy shirt, and yes, I'll be taking both the white and the pink one, because I'm wearing both of them a lot and they are different from each other. So I'm gonna find outfits for both of them, and that's a really cute outfit. And if you were wondering how the breezy shirt looks like exactly after being washed, that's what it is. It does crumble a little bit, so but it is 100% organic cotton, and that's how the fabric does, and I actually like it when it's not ironed as well. It's a vibe, it's a summer vibe. I think there are a few more outfits that I need to take with me, but I just stumbled upon those shorts, and those are the linen shorts from H&M that I got last year. However, they are a little bit big on me, and that's why I feel like I really need some cover up whenever I'm going to the beach, and I feel like those shorts are going to be perfect for this, because this way I'm not going to care if I ruin them, because that might happen when you're going to the beach. And that's one of the swimming suits that I'm for sure going to be taking with me. I wore it a lot last year because you can tie it in different ways, and this year is going to be no exception. I'll be taking it with me 100% because it's really cute, and it has those little daisies all over it. And last but not least, I'll definitely take my super dry jumpsuit. It's 100% linen, it's very comfortable, it's perfect if it's hot outside. So there is just no doubt that this is going to make such a good outfit, and I can of course dress it up or down as everything else that I have showed you already. And yeah, I feel like my luggage is almost complete. So for now, that's going to be the outfits that I take with me. Of course, I can mix and match. I've showed you only one option of how these items can be worn, and I can definitely mix and match them all together, which is the whole idea when you're planning a capsule wardrobe, especially if you're going on a holiday with a small luggage. So I think I am pretty good to go. Let me know down in the comments if I should leave some of the things that I've showed you, or if I should take something else that I haven't thought about. Let me know if you think of anything else. So darlings, that's going to be for today's video. I really hope you've enjoyed it. Sending you lots of hugs and kisses, and I'll see you again after my holiday. Bye!